Hey all, quick video today just to show you my new toy. This is a 1985 Chrysler LeBaron GTS, 64,000 original miles, no rust, purchased out of Washington State. This came out of an estate of a lifelong Mopar person. He had about 12 or 13 cars stashed away in a garage. Some folks out in Washington who are professional automotive restorers, Tom Hergert from Rocket Restorations and his buddy Jamie Atwood from Dead Dodge Garage, bought all the cars from the estate, 50s, 60s, 70s Mopars, plus this LeBaron. Brought some of them back to their shop in Olympia, Washington. They got this running in pretty short order. Made it obvious they wanted to sell it. I inquired about a price, and it was too good to pass up. So I bought the car and had it transported from Washington here to New York State, and here she is. Now I'm just getting ready to pack her away for the winter because this is December in New York. We're going to get a bunch of snow. I don't have a garage to put this in right now, so we're going to clean it, put a cover on it, and then in the spring I'll work on it. But I just wanted to show you what I've got going. There'll be a bunch more videos coming next year of me working on this. Basically, as she sits now, she runs and drives. She needs brakes, tires, anything rubber, so hoses, belts, timing belts, those are going to get replaced. All the fluid's going to get replaced. And then we'll go through the electricals and make sure everything is working there. But the plan with this is basically an around town daily driver. And the nice thing about this is it's old enough that it's simple to work on, parts are cheap, and I'm really looking forward to basically doing a pseudo restoration on this and getting it running. So the LeBaron GTS was sold from 85 to 89. It's basically a K car, but it's on what's called the H platform. It was an attempt by Chrysler to provide a sportier car that might woo away some of the yuppies from the BMWs and Mercedes, which were really popular at the time. It never really did that, but the car by itself was actually pretty good. This particular car has a 2.2 liter four-cylinder, naturally aspirated, with a 3-speed automatic. But this car was also available with a turbocharged 2.2 and a 5-speed. And that, guys, it really handled well. It accelerated well for its time, drives really nice, but it never really caught on as a replacement for BMWs. So that's the deal. It looks like a four-door sedan, but it actually isn't. It's actually the only mid-size hatchback Chrysler ever made, and that is a cavernous amount of space in a car this size. And I'm looking forward to that because I have a lot of stuff that I have to haul now and again. So it did come with a bunch of extra parts courtesy of the previous owner. He worked on his own cars, and it needs some muffler work. There are the pieces. It needs some other things done to it. Air conditioning needs to be completely replaced and other things, but there's a bunch of parts that came with it. And Tom from Rocket was kind enough to throw in some extra sets of hubcaps and stuff, which is great. Got all the original ones, which is great too. So that is this is my new toy for 2025, and again you'll see some videos on this as I work on it. Looking forward to it. So you folks have a happy holiday, and I'll see you next year.